How to skip state filing entry on FreeTaxUSA. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in freetaxusa.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now, at the top right corner, you will find the option of Sign In. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign In, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, locate and access your tax return for the current tax year. You may see an option to continue or edit your return. Find the section of your tax return where you would typically enter state filing information. This section might be labeled as state taxes or something similar. Instead of entering your state filing information, look for an option to skip or bypass this section. FreeTaxUSA should provide an option to opt out of filing state taxes if you don't need to file them through their platform. FreeTaxUSA may ask you to confirm that you want to skip filing state taxes. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to confirm your decision. After you skip the state filing entry, review the rest of your tax return to ensure that all the information is accurate and complete. Once you have confirmed everything, proceed with submitting your federal tax return. It's a good idea to save your process periodically as you work through your tax return, especially after making significant changes or skipping sections. By following these steps, you should be able to skip the state filing entry on FreeTaxUSA. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.